3 things you must get right to get maximum funding for your business. Look, if you're not getting approved for the money that you want and need to grow your business, it's probably because you don't have these 3 things right. But don't worry. In this training, I'm going to decode these 3 things. I'm going to give you the roadmap to success. And by the time you leave this training, you're going to know exactly what to do to maximize the funding you can get to grow your business. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. The first thing you have to get right to maximize funding is simple foundational concerns. What I mean by that is that lenders and credit issuers have problems oftentimes with the way your business is set up, and that's what gets you denied. Here's what's shocking. More than half of the time that business owners apply for money and get denied, it's not because you didn't qualify. It's because you didn't have your fundability foundation set up the right way. So set up a separate entity for your business. Get an EIN number. Get a DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet. Have a professional website, an email address for your business, a separate address, a separate phone number for your business. Make sure you have a business bank account set up. Even get a license for your business if you can. If you do these things, if you build your fundable foundation, that is the first crucial step to getting max funding for your business. And by the way, at the end of this training, I'm going to get you access to my 100% free mini course that maps out exactly how to build the fundable foundation the right way. And that brings me to number 2 on my list. That is getting your business finances in order. Look, if you want higher loan amounts and higher credit lines of hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars as your business grows, they're going to look at things like your business financials. Now, the easiest ways to make sure that your financials are in order is get a free blueprint call with TaxHive. Look, we partner with TaxHive because so many of our clients need this, and they agreed to give you a 100% free blueprint on how to save money on taxes and how to get your financials right to be able to maximize your funding. So make sure you tap into that using this link right here, which is taxhive.com/credit suite. Now that brings me to the number 3 essential to get max funding for your business. And that is making sure you have good personal and business credit. Look, if you have damaged personal credit now, it's even more reason you should be building your business credit. By building business credit, you give your business the ability to fund itself, and you can get tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands in funding, even if you don't have any other factor that will help you get a loan or credit line. Business credit's essential for your business to fund itself and to help you get most money at the best terms. You also want to work on consumer credit. If you don't have good consumer credit now, keep in mind, you can tap into other people's good consumer credit to get financing. Programs like Credit Line Hybrid will allow somebody else to come in as a guarantor to tap in and get 50, 100, even 150,000 in funding. Now, you also want to continue to make sure you're working on improving your consumer and commercial credit, because the better they are, the more tiers and types of financing become available for you. And that brings me to number 4. I know I said 3, but I can't help myself by throwing in a bonus. The 4th thing you need to do to get max funding for your business is simple. Work with an expert. Work with somebody that understands all the lenders, all the loan programs, what you need to do to qualify for even more money. When you do this, you stand to get approved more often. You stand to get approved for more funding programs. You get higher approval amounts and better terms. It's the key. It's the secret sauce to getting max funding for your business. Now, if you want to tap in and get an expert, check the link out in the description to this training. 100% free. We will give you access to a finance assessment with our team. Look, our teams help tens of thousands of business owners get business credit and financing, and they will map out what you need to fix on your fundability to become more lendable. They'll actually give you tips and tactics to improve your business credit, and they'll tell you all the financing you can get right now, even help lay out a roadmap to make you SBA ready and help you get even more financing as well. It's all in the link to the description. Make sure you check it out. And make sure you also check out creditsuite.com/foundation. That link is in the description of this training as well. That is a 100% free mini course which dives in depth into fundability and teaches you all the lenders' secrets of what they want to see to get approved. So make sure you check out both those links in the description to this training. And if you got value from this training, like and subscribe, and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.